Somebody's asked for a lesson on a tune called Hola ta Kortsopa, which means all the girls. To the person that asked for it, I hope you enjoyed the video. To everyone else that wants to learn it, I hope it helps you. Please leave a comment if you've got any more requests. I hope you enjoy the video. I'll play the tune first. Okay, so the instrument's tuned to A, E, B. That's A, E, B. So this tune can be played on the low pitch side or the high pitch. So you can do that starting on the middle string, or you can do so I'll do it on the lower pitch side. I think it sounds a bit better. So your first finger touching the middle string only. Okay. And we're going to start with a backward bow movement. Now your bow, ideally only touching the middle string, but you can touch a little bit of the low string because it's very hard to just play the middle string on its own. So back, and then forward, back. And then we're going to play forward. So forward, back. Forward on the middle string, same finger, same string. And then on the way back, we're going to swivel a little bit, second finger on the low pitch string. So it's starting back, forward, back. Forward, middle string, first finger, back, second finger, low pitch string. So the next bit is just no fingers at all, so it's so this is forward, back on the middle string or touching the low pitch as well, and then swivel over only touching the low pitch string, so it's finishing forward. That allows you to start back again. In fact, here you play the two strings with your bow, even though you're only touching the middle string. So a correction to what I said earlier. Now the next bit is so back, only touching the low pitch string. So back, forward, back, forward, back. And then it's the same. Then start forward. So forward, middle, same thing, first finger, middle string. Forward, back. Same two strings, same swivel, first finger, middle chord, middle string, second finger, low pitch string. No strings. Finishing back with the finishing on the low pitch string, so it's now backwards. Forward, back, finishing forward. jump on this first finger. That's pretty much it. That's the tune. I've got links in the description to how to jump, how to tremble, slows, everything. If you want a bit more guidance on some of the movements with your fingers. This is now probably going to intermediate with a few trembles. Sorry. Anyway, that's just to get people started. If you want to go onto the high pitched, okay, so it's almost a mirror image. You play it on the other side. To the person that asked for it, I hope it helps.